Bro, this thing is massive. Is this the accurate size? What the? This is huge, bro. This is bigger than City 2 and City. Look at City 1. They really added Ryan Gosling into this, drinking cold cooler. Alright, bro. I guess. Yo, family, was good? It's been a minute, like 2 weeks since my last video. I've been having internet issues, so the upload slowed down for a bit, but we back again, ready to get things popping. And of course, as you guys have read in the title, a new update is out for CPM 2, and we're trying to see what it is exactly that we're getting, from the newly added cars to the new track, the Nürburgring. Thanks to my close friends D-Ben and Han for filling me in on the details, especially my bro D-Ben, helping me out with all of these new whips that you see, as he always does. So yeah, I'll be holding giveaways too for these new cars, with the premium ones being for channel members too. So something special to show my appreciation for your support. And not only that, higher tier members will be getting photo shoots with me and much more. So you can check out the details for all the channel membership stuff down below. And yeah, with all that said, let's dive right in and see the summary of what we got for this update. First things first, we're gonna check out the patch notes, because that's where the summary is with most of the important stuff that we get this update. But if we look down here real quick, we can see the events. These are the new events that you're gonna get the free car for completing, but don't do it as yet if you're in the beta. Wait for the full release of the game, because this is just for testing. They're not gonna give you the car even if you complete the event. So we have the silhouette of the RX-7 for the drift event, and here we have our Mercedes. I'm not sure which one. It looks like it's the same family of the 190E, judging from the shape of the bumper here, like they're related. But you guys let me know if you have an idea what this car is, as it's most likely a new car, since we already have the 190E, I think, in the car list already. So I'm not sure exactly which one that is. Let me know if you know.
We'll be right back with you after these short commercials.
Eldorado is the go-to place for safe and easy trading. Not only can you get countless services in car parking multiplayer, but well over 200 popular games will be at your fingertips for items you may need, all from verified sellers. Games like GTA, Fortnite, Roblox, and all you have to do is find your game of choice, choose your platform, they have multiple, find whichever service suits your needs, and go on to grab your exclusive deal on it. Eldorado.gg offers secure transactions, a refund system, money back guaranteed just in case you didn't get what you're looking for. Not only that, but 24/7 customer service to assist you with any issues you may face. So head on down and click the link or use my code, it's Legends, to make sure you get that exclusive discount. Thanks to Eldorado for sponsoring this video. Be sure to check him out. Now back on track.
Let's go check the patch notes. And here we are. So features, they updated the car traffic, and here's the new event we were talking about, and they spelled the Nürburgring, so that's the name of the track in the game. Updated in-game chat system, lively limit increased to 300. Designers are gonna love that. We can clear additional data option added to settings. Oh, so this is like if you download the car interiors and stuff like that, you can clear the data. Here it is right here. All right, that's nice. What else we got? The cars from CPM 1 that we got last time. So we got most of these already. And here are the two limited time event ones, the Mercedes and the RX-7. So those are the cars that we have. I'm gonna show you guys the price in a bit. And here they changed the car sales exchange location. They moved it to the direct messages. Interior download moved to visual tuning. Business purchase mechanics updated. Arcade mode removed, so I guess some physics changes. Interior deformation disabled, so I guess you won't be seeing the interior of the cars be bending like paper and stuff like that. Car deformation reduced. We're gonna have to test that out, test the crashing out. Default camera positions adjusted. Okay, F1 wheels can now be reset. Interesting. Car count added to the garages. Where is that? I'm guessing this is up here. Is it this? Guess this is the car count. Yeah, most likely. and voice chat fixes in general. But okay, so nothing much after that. Now I'm gonna show you guys the prices for the new cars. I mean, let's go take a look at that. So new, these are the ones for cash. We've seen these in CPM 1, so you guys get the general idea of what this is. The important thing is the prices that I know you guys are concerned about. So here we go. Coins for the Altezza, and the other version is there, but it's for real cash. So the Mercedes here for 5,000 coins, the Porsche 10,000, and here the other version now. This is for like $6, $7 basically if you include tax, USD. The Toyota, the GR Yaris, basically $13, and the M2, the BMW M2, $15, bro. Oh man, these prices are killing. I'm not gonna lie, $15 is kind of steep, bro. But they need to add some discounts to it. I know a lot of y'all are not gonna be getting this with cash. Before we check out the map, I'm gonna just show you guys the kits that we have. It's pretty much the same kits from CPM 1, but the interesting thing is the interior feature. So cars that have multiple different types of interiors, you can download them here and switch them out. Unfortunately for coins, unlike in CPM 1 where you can just, you know, swap it out there in the garage, you have to go. So for example, let me show with the Mercedes here. If I go on interior, so you see the 3 different ones, I already have them downloaded while I was testing it out. But if yours is not downloaded as yet, you're gonna see download buttons come up with the size, like how many megabytes it takes. So that's the first interior, and this pretty much just changes the trim here and the LEDs, it looks like. The third one, so there it is. Not much option so far, but it is a new feature nonetheless that we should look at, and each of these costs 100 coins. So there's that. It's not, you know, a crazy price, but it's not free either, like how it is in CPM 1. And here the Porsche, the Carrera GT, same old kits. You can add a drop top body on it, the convertible version on it. I'm gonna put that out, remove the hard top. I like that look. And which one's next? Here, the Altezza or IS300, whichever version you choose. This is the paid one, and the other one is for 1,500 coins. I think that inside of this one, it has a like an animated dash. They didn't add the map to it as yet. So this right here, that the dash like folds up. I'm gonna show you guys in a bit. Hold on, let me hop in the room real quick and show you. There it is. So if I shut the engine down, you can see it folds in. I'm not sure if it does that in CPM 1. I'm guessing this is a special feature you got for spending real cash. Not sure how useful it is. They haven't added the map to it yet, but I guess it will in the future. And here's the M2. This is what we got. I like the interior on this as well. Got a little lip on it. Here's the bumpers that you got. That I like this one with a little lip there. And there's 2. This is the one I had. I think I'm gonna go with this one with a lip. Let me spend some coins on that. I like that. Just for the sake of the video. I don't know if I'm gonna ever drive this again other than testing it, but yeah. This is a stock bumper, rear bumper. That one looks nice too. I like this one because it looked unique with the color change of the exhaust, looking more bronze. So that's the only reason I picked that, just for the sake of the video. These are the side skirts, the hoods. Right there, I like this one with the little vent. Is it a vent or carbon? Can't tell. Looks like little mesh. Looks like meshes up there. I don't know what it is. And then here's the fenders or body kits, however you want to refer to it. So this is a stock. I think this piece just adds like little what are they called? Canards? Is that what it's called? The little stripes going around. And then this one is the real wide body version for like the drift cars and stuff like that, or show cars. So that's the M2. Let's see which are the new cars down the line, and these ones are the old ones that have been in the CPM 1 update too, I believe. So you guys already know how these ones are. I forgot to show you the interior on the M2. Hold on, let me just go back real quick. I have it downloaded, so this is what it looks like. Can't wait to drive it. The BMW that was from the CPM 1 update that we already saw in there. The interiors look crisp. All these new models look so crisp on CPM 2, bro. Like, look at that. Look at the pedals and everything. Looks so clean. I like it. The Dacia, the interior specs, 100 coins again, the stock one. And as you guys know, there's the racing version with the harnesses, roll cage, and all of that sweet stuff that we like. Hope to see this in more cars in the future. And it looks detailed. So here I'm gonna go on single player, not multiplayer as yet. I'm not ready to race as yet. I'm just gonna give you guys a little sneak peek of the track. So this is the cover. It looks like they changed the covers for the Japan map too. City, the snow at City 1 got removed. So City 1 is back to normal for all of you that hated the snow after a while. And everything else looks pretty much the same from what I can tell. So new track, let's go. We spawned in. I took the Mercedes out, so this is the location that you're most likely gonna spawn. The building in the background. Here we got a time attack LED screen there. We got traffic, the AI traffic in single player, of course. They haven't added any of that in multiplayer yet, even though we want it. But here they said they changed the AI traffic cars or improved them, I guess. Do you guys see that? The tree is like turning with the drone camera. What the hell? Is that like an optimization tactic? Like the tree's like turning with me. It looks so goofy. Like that. These are regular trees, but like those ones, they look like PNGs. It's gonna take a stroll, show you guys a new building. As you can probably tell, I'm not the best driver when it comes on the Nürburgring as yet, but I'll get some practice in, I promise. So yeah, that's the quick summary of what this new update has to offer. Let me know if I should do a full video doing the track and the event. Yeah, so the drift event and the track event, I'll probably do that in a separate video, and a full review of the cars like the M2 in a dedicated driving video. So let me know if you guys want to see that. And leave your thoughts down below of what we got so far. As always, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Stay safe.